Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can submit your bird info card to get reward in Heartopia game. Okay, let's get started. First of all, you need to find Bailey G and then you can track her on the map. She's at the central square. So just go to the central square first and she's right here in this building on the second floor. Okay, and then you're going to talk to Bailey G and you're going to select submit info card and then select bird info card to submit to her. And for instance, I'm going to choose this one and I'm going to submit, and I just got the repair kit. Okay, just in case guys your backpack is overload or full, you can try to submit your info card to Bailey G so your backpack won't be overload anymore. And okay guys, that's how you can submit your bird info card to Bailey G to get reward in Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.